Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're making salsa, and it's specifically from this book by Ingrid Hoffmann called Delicioso. It's from our Spanish nonfiction, and it's on page 137 if you're interested. So this salsa specifically is for pollo con lima, so for chicken with lime, and it's more like a pico de gallo, but pico de gallo can be a salsa. So let's get started. This is what you need. Half an onion chopped, 2 small tomatoes chopped, 1 avocado, half a cup of cilantro, and salt and pepper to your liking, and then just a splash of white vinegar. So this is super easy. All you have to do is throw everything in a bowl and just mix it all together. So this bowl might actually be too small, or it might be just right. It's okay if you make a mess. And then all you have to do is mix everything together. It's a very colorful salsa. And if you're making chicken or beef, you can just layer it on. So if you're interested in making a salsa like this or a pico de gallo like this, you can check out all of the recipe books in our catalog and find lots of different recipes. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of ground black pepper, and your salsa is ready. I'm omitting the vinegar just because I'm not a big fan, but you can totally add it yourself also. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.